Hey guys, I'm Anchal Oberoi and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super fabulous. So guys, I'm at the Manish market today and it's a superb market. So come on, let me show you guys around, and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. So guys, this Manish market is right opposite the Adani building and right next to the Four Bungalows Gurdwara. So right opposite the Adani building is this bag shop. So come on, let me show you guys what you get here.
So guys, you get a variety of bags here, right from your tote bags, duffel bags, sling bags, carry bags, backpacks, and all of them are priced only between 200 to 1000 rupees. There is a nice variety of bags here and you get nice wallets here as well. You get bags here for all occasions, like you can actually get bags for your casual wear, for your formal wear, for your party wear. There are nice backpacks for children as well, and there are a lot of nice sling bags here. This stall had a nice variety of kurtis and kurti sets, all priced between 300 to 1500 rupees. And this stall next to it had a very good variety of western wear, right from your coordinates to your jeans to your cargo pants, casual pants, party dresses, casual dresses, shirts, crop tops, t-shirts, and all were very reasonably priced. So guys, I love the bags in this shop. I think they were really cool. Like, look at these travel bags. They were all priced between 800 to 1000 rupees and they were of very good quality. I love these jute bags, which were all priced between 1000 to 1200 rupees. And there were these beautiful sling bags, wallets, tote bags, duffel bags, carry bags, and all of them were priced between 500 to 2000 rupees. So guys, this is the Shri Art Gallery and you get a very good collection of clothes here. You get everything from your dresses to your sweatshirts to your crop tops, and there's a great variety of them in this shop. There are a lot of these crop tops, puff sleeve tops, nice dresses, shorts, and these beautiful dresses are all priced between 500 to 1500 rupees. And you have dresses for all occasions here, right from your casual dresses to your formal dresses to your party wear dresses as well. And you get nice coordinates and these beautiful skirts here, all priced at rupees 1500. So you get really nice kurtis and kurti sets in this market, and all of them are priced between 700 to 1500 rupees. And you also get only kurtis between 300 to 500 rupees, and they're all good quality.
So guys, there is this very nice kurti shop in Manish market. So let's ask him the rates of all these amazing things. तो भैया आप अपने बेस्ट चीज़ें दिखाइए. ये क्या है? ये वन पीस है? अच्छा.
लेटेस्ट पैटर्न, न्यू पैटर्न है, अभी आए, न्यू है.
और ये कितने का है?
ये आएगा 500 का.
500. और ये जो कुर्ती शरारा सेट और कुर्ती गरारा सेट से इनके क्या रेट्स हैं?
450 स्टार्टिंग है, 1250 स्टार्टिंग है, लेकिन डिस्काउंट में 1000 में आ जाएगा.
There are a lot of night suits available in the market, which are your dresses, your shorts and t-shirt, your pajamas and t-shirts as well. So there are lots of these kurtis and kurti sets available in the market in nice, bright and vibrant colors. So you can get nice kurti sets here too, which is your kurti palazzo or kurti sharara and dupatta. I spotted very nice Jaipuri short jackets too. There were these nice bags in the market, right from your tote bags, duffel bags, carry bags, sling bags, and all of them were available at very reasonable rates. So again, this shop had a great variety of western wear, right from your pants to your t-shirts to your dresses, long shirts, and all these dresses were priced between 500 to 1000 rupees. I spotted some nice tie and dye sweatshirts here, and this shop had a very nice and trendy collection, and all these clothes are really in vogue right now. Like, I really like these short kurtis, which were all priced at rupees 500. There were a lot of these coordinates available between 400 to 800 rupees, and there were a lot of these dresses, like this guy was standing with all these dresses in a bundle, and all of them were priced between 300 to 600 rupees. So if you're looking for dresses like your short dresses, long dresses, gowns, then you will get a nice variety in this market. So guys, the last time I came to this market, it was quite shut, but this time it was open full throttle. So you get very good accessories in this market, like you get lovely junk jewelry, right from your oxidized neck pieces to these lovely earrings, bracelets, chains and rings as well. So again, I spotted these lovely kurtis and kurti sets available in nice, bright and vibrant colors. So you also get lovely footwear here like your beautiful kitten heels, your long heels, slippers, chappals, closed shoes, sneakers, sport shoes, and they all are priced between 500 to 1500 rupees. So guys, just a subtle reminder, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel right now, so that again, like I always say, it motivates me to make really nice videos for you guys in the future as well. So yes guys, you also get your nail paints, your rubber bands, your accessories in this market. Like you can see lot of these flower chains, your portly bags and these really nice Jaipuri jackets. Like these small coaties are really in fashion and it really brightens up your outfit. So there are a lot of tailors sitting in the market who stitch everything at very affordable rates. I really liked the earrings in this shop. Like there were these beautiful small earrings and nice big latkan earrings. So there was a nice variety right from your casual wear to your nice party wear as well. And all these earrings were priced between 100 to 500 rupees. There are a lot of these shops in the market where you get all these decorative items like your latkans to your patches which you can put on your lehengas, your blouses, kurtis and Indian wear, and you can really beautify them. There is a nice variety of ready-made blouses available in the market between 800 to 1500 rupees. There are these lovely stoles and dupattas available here too. So I spotted these really beautiful palazzos in this shop. So right from your casual wear to your nice party wear, you can pair them up with your kurtis, and they were all priced between 800 to 2000 rupees. You have a lot of footwear available in the market like your jutis, slippers, casual wear chappals, and all of them are priced between 500 to 900 rupees. So guys, this market is just amazing for Indian wear. Like you can see these beautiful Lucknowi kurtis here too. And not only your short kurtis, but you also get nice long Lucknowi kurtis and also Lucknowi kurti sets here. And they're available in beautiful pastel colors and nice bright colors too. So guys, there are matching centers here too. Like you get your leggings, or you can get your blouse pieces. You can get your inner linings. So this market is complete in every respect. So if you're looking for anything to complete your Indian wardrobe, then you can definitely get it here. So again, lot of these beautiful palazzos in nice bright colors. You get beautiful Jaipuri dupattas, stoles, nice georgette and cotton dupattas here as well. So guys, this market has everything. It's a good mix of western wear as well as your Indian wear, and you also get nice bags and accessories here. So yes, it's a great shopping experience, so you must definitely visit this market. So guys, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it and found it useful, and if you did, then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. See you guys very soon with something very exciting. Lots and lots of love to all.